Okay, so let's do another example. This time we're going to do integration. So we're going to integrate this function here, and we're going to use the properties of exponents, the properties of the exponential functions to help us out here. And the first thing I'm going to do is a u substitution. Okay, so the u substitution I'm going to make is going to be u equals negative x squared. So I'm going to do u equals negative x squared. So that means du is going to equal negative 2x dx. Now I've got the 2x dx, but the negative. So I'm going to just multiply both sides by negative. So that gives us a positive 2x. And so now I'm going to substitute in, and now this becomes what? This becomes e to the u negative e to the u du. So now I'm going to use what I know about the integral of e to the u. Now I'm going to pull the negative sign out for a moment. So just one more step. And now I know that this is going to be e to the u plus c, plus some constant. So I'm going to get negative e to the u plus some constant. And so now I'm going to put in u back in. And so what do I get? I get negative e to the negative x squared plus c. And I'm done. Now, if you want to check to make sure you did it right, well, you should be able to take the derivative of this and get back to where you started. So let's do that. Well, if we take the derivative of this, the c goes away. Well, what happens? I'm going to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is going to give me a negative 2x, so negative 2x, right, times this negative 1, that's there, times the derivative of the outside, which is just what? Just the same thing, right? So if I, well, let's take the negative, so if we count this whole thing, right? So this negative 1, and then the function, the derivative of the outside function is just what? E to the negative x squared. Well, if I simplify this, well, the negative times the negative becomes positive, and I get 2x e to the negative x squared, which is what I started with. So we did it right, okay? So when in doubt, just, again, check it out. Okay, so here's one for you guys. I try not to leave you out. So let's give you an example here. There you go. You guys do this one. So do the integral of 4 divided by e to the 3x dx. So again, use the properties of exponents and then integrate using what we know about integrating natural exponentials. That's it. See you next time.